Elmo, are you ready, son? We need to get to school on time.
Coming, Daddy! Elmo is ready for school now.
Is your jacket all zipped up?
Oh, well, Elmo is almost ready.
All right. Once we get you zipped up, we'll head out to school. Oh, better not forget my keys. Hey, my keys aren't on the key holder? Uh-oh, I made a mistake. I put my keys somewhere they don't belong. All right, Louie, think. Let's remember what you did. You came in from work last night. You stopped to take off your jacket.
Then you gave Elmo a hug.
Oh, that's right. Next, Louie, you walked to the sofa and you sat down. Louie, I know you can do this.
Yeah, Elmo thinks you can do it too, Daddy.
Thanks, son. I'll find those keys. Louie, you always find what you're looking for.
Daddy, why do you keep calling yourself Louie?
Well, I use my name to encourage myself not to give up. We can all speak kindly to ourselves.
Oh, just like the way that we speak to someone we love?
That's right. Oh, hold on, Louie. You picked out a book last night. Oh, Louie, you did it.
Yeah!
Now, let's get you zipped up so we can get you to school.
Daddy, Elmo can do it. Elmo can do this. Elmo is a little monster that never gives up. Oh, Elmo's got the first part in. Now just pull, Elmo. Yay! Elmo did it!
Great job, son.
Oh, we better go, Daddy.
I'm with you.
Yeah!
Off to
Elmo can't wait for school.